What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are going to be learning how to crochet beads into Bernat blanket yarn. So the thick stuff, I told you guys I was going to make this video, and I'm finally getting around to it because I'm working on a project right now where I am crocheting beads into my yarn. So I'm going to show you guys how it goes. Now, before I get too far into this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more crocheting content. So for starters, I'm going to show you guys the yarn that I'm using and what size it is. So this yarn specifically is a size 6. It is considered super bulky. They recommend that you use an 8mm hook with it, and that is what I'm using. So let's get into it. Okay, so for the project that I'm working on, I'm starting with a magic ring of 6. This concept that I'm going to show you guys will apply to anything really that you're doing. It's just how to get the bead on there, so you do not have to start with the magic ring. That is just what I am showing you guys on. Okay, I'm going to try to make this clear as possible. So you're going to single crochet. So you're going to stick your hook through the loop, and when you get to the point where you have 2 loops on your hook, I just take the crochet hook out. I just take it out. And we're gonna go in with this second loop. So if I turn it this way, this is the first loop, this is the second loop, okay? Now this might be easier with a sewing needle. Currently I am using a piece of a lollipop stick just to get my yarn pushed through the bead, because the bead size I have and the yarn I have right now, it is really hard with my needles to get it through. It just isn't working for me, but feel free to use a needle. Okay, you're going to take this little loop and you're going to put it right to the bottom of your bead, and I kind of just like pinch it with my thumb. Then you're going to take whatever you're using to push your yarn through, and you're just going to shove the yarn through the hole. And let me tell you, this does not always happen on the first try, but there you go. So the yarn is over and you're just going to pull it down like this. So this is what it's going to look like, and this is a single crochet again. So now you're going to stick your hook back through the 2 loops to finish your single crochet, pull it through, and now you have a bead on there. Now you have a bead. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do this again, but at a different angle. Okay, so again we are starting with the single crochet. So we're going to go in through a hole, pull the yarn through until we have 2 loops on our hook, and then like I said, I'm just going to take the hook out. We're going to go over this second little loop. I haven't tried doing the first, but I would assume you could do it to the first loop as well. I just tend to go over the second one. Okay, so we're going to take the yarn and we're going to put it at the base of the bead, and like I said, pinch it. And then take whatever you're using to shove the yarn through and just shove it through the hole. And like I said, it doesn't always happen on the first try, but I got lucky twice in a row, I guess. So that's what it's going to look like. Now we are going to take our needle, put it back through, hook, and then we're going to take our yarn and pull our yarn through. So that is the simple little tutorial on how to add beads into your crochet work. I'd be more than happy to show you guys like a full piece done with beads in it, but this is what it looks like. It's super simple. I like doing it. I think it's great. You should definitely give it a try if you've never worked with beads and yarn. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my other tutorials, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!